Hello, my name is Evan Webb, and I am doing my presentation for this particular animated logo project. So for this, I actually had to kind of do two screen recordings. One of my original screen that I did at Lindenwood. My audio would not work at the lab, so I had to basically do this recording, put it on YouTube, and then now I'm going to make another recording of me talking about the YouTube video that I recorded earlier. So we're basically going to kind of have two here, but I hope that this is good enough to um, kind of share what I have for this project. So for this, this is kind of my coding that I started out with. I'll kind of start here at the beginning. But basically, this is, obviously kind of how I use to get the translations. If I pause it right here, you can kind of see that my logo, that's just the base of it. And then um, obviously, like as we go along here, the animations will begin to work. And as I go further into this video, it will actually show the animation, what it looks like if you end up previewing it on like a Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So yeah, so here I click on it. I ended up clicking on it live right here, and then I'm about to preview it on the Google Chrome, and there's kind of what the translation looked like. So I believe I'm going to replay it again here. Yeah, so for this, I ended up using CSS coding. Um, Obviously, I use the basic HTML to start, and then use the CSS afterwards to kind of help with the translation. Um, Let me pause that. Kind of help with the translation. One source that I found that was really helpful for me, obviously the W3 schoolings, that really helped me through setting up these animations, but also just looking up other people's animations through the discussion as well. There was a lot of really good animations I saw on here, but also looking up other animations on YouTube and whatnot to kind of help me um, you know code this. So obviously here's my base HTML that I have. There's my title of it, and then obviously I go along here. I wanted to kind of use. I really like the black background for it. I thought that it kind of made my logo pop a little bit more, and I think it was an easier transition for the animation, the green lettering animation. So um, that kind of helped as well. So I think the black background really brought that out. So yeah, so I'll pause that, and that's basically the base of the video. And again, I apologize for having to basically screen record and then re-screen record, but the just the technology I had, I wasn't able to use my audio um, at the school, so I had to kind of do it this way. I don't have Dreamweaver on my laptop. It doesn't let me use it, so hopefully this was a good enough presentation to kind of basically show you what I got on my animation logo, and I'm looking forward to looking at everybody else's. Thanks.